Hey everyone! A good multi-tool is an essential companion for anyone who values preparedness, versatility, and efficiency. Whether you're a professional, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who enjoys having the right tool for the job, a quality multi-tool can handle everything from repairs to survival situations. In this video, we're counting down the best multi-tools of 2025. We'll break down their features, strengths, and any potential drawbacks so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Leatherman Skeletool. It is a lightweight, compact multi-tool designed for everyday carry, featuring 7 essential tools, including pliers, wire cutters, a 420 HC combo knife, a bit driver, and a carabiner/bottle opener. Its sleek, minimalist design makes it convenient for daily tasks, though it lacks some of the more advanced functions found in larger multi-tool. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Leatherman Skeletool 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's a great choice for those looking for a simple yet effective multi-tool without extra bulk. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gerber Truss, which is a rugged 17-in-1 multi-tool built for heavy, featuring needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a saw, scissors, and multiple screwdrivers. Users appreciate its durable all-wheel steel construction and locking tools, but some find it a bit heavy and stiff at first. Let's see what the customers had to say about the product in their feedback. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Gerber Truss 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's a solid choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts needing a reliable, versatile tool. Coming in at number 3, we have the Leatherman Signal. It is a rugged multi-tool designed for outdoor and survival situations, featuring 19 tools, including pliers, a saw, a fire-starting ferro rod, and an emergency whistle. Users appreciate its durability and adventure-ready design, but some feel the ferro rod is small and not as efficient as standalone options. Let's see what the customers had to say about the product. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Leatherman Signal 4.7 out of 5 stars. It's a solid choice for campers, hikers, and survivalists looking for an all-in-one emergency tool. Coming in at number 2, we have the Leatherman Surge. It is a powerhouse multi-tool designed for heavy-duty tasks, featuring 21 tools, including large pliers, wire cutters, scissors, a saw, and a 420 HC knife. Its robust stainless steel build and replaceable wire cutters make it a top choice for professionals, though some users find it bulky and a bit heavy for everyday carry. Let's see what the customers had to say about the product. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Leatherman Surge 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an excellent choice for those needing a durable, high-capacity multi-tool that can handle demanding jobs. Topping our list at number 1, we have the Leatherman Wave Plus. It is a high-quality multi-tool featuring 18 built-in tools, including pliers, knives, saw, scissors, and screwdrivers. All designed with stainless steel for durability. Users appreciate its robust construction and versatility, making it a go-tool for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. However, some find it slightly heavy for everyday pocket carry. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After considering its features and customer feedback, we rate the Leatherman Wave Plus a solid 4.8 out of 5 stars. It's an excellent choice for those who need a reliable and durable multi-tool for various tasks. And that wraps up our list of the best multi-tools of 2025. Each of these tools offers a unique blend of functionality, durability, and convenience, ensuring you're always prepared for any task that comes your way. Whether you need a lightweight EDC option or a heavy-duty workhorse, there's a multi-tool for everyone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which multi-tool is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.